guys, this is my second YouTube video of the MMB 212 mini bike with a straight pipe on it. Here we have the straight pipe here. It is going, we are replacing the stock muffler here. It seems pretty restrictive and there's not much backfire, and I like backfire. So we have a cheap eBay header here. I think it's 7 inches. And then, here, I'm gonna take this off. We have a pipe that fits inside the header. Where are my tools at? We have a square tube. Was that about 3? So 1. Yeah, about 2 3/4 there. And this fits outside of a pipe that I have shoved in here, and I've bent it because it is not straight all the way back. So this is about there, inside there, so I hammered that in to make sure there's no leaks. And then this pipe would go outside of here, and this would go on there, and then I would take put that right on there. I'm gonna put header tape on this so it doesn't burn through this plastic and the seat. So I'm gonna start it up. Put the choke on. Start it. It sounds really good. So it's a little loud for my taste. I'm probably gonna put a resonator on it. Probably right about here where these two pipes meet up, I'll put a resonator there and then trim this off here. But yeah, pretty happy with it. I mean, for free parts you find around the house, it's pretty good. Thanks guys, remember like and subscribe, and have a good day.